Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really silly looking Guaco from Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this silly character, and to begin we're going to start out by drawing the taco shell first. So it's just going to be one big curve. So it's almost like a semicircle but a little bit straighter on the sides. And then once we have that, we just close off the bottom. So we just come across. Okay, so that's the taco. And then for the eyes, just somewhere around here, just one big circle. It's right behind the taco shell. Same thing on this side. And then to finish up the eyeballs, see one of them's facing this way. And then this one's off to the side a little bit more. Okay, and then for the cheese inside, so I'm just gonna draw like a bunch of these little rectangles. So it doesn't have to be exactly the same, just as long as you have some of these looks like French fries coming out. I know they're string cheese. Something on this side as well. Okay, so that's pretty much the head, so it's nice and easy. So now let's move on to the body. And the body is pretty generic. Let's start out with the neck right here. Draw the collar. Just kind of come in like this first. And then on the side, just draw two lines coming down and then come back up. So that's going to be the shirt collar. And then for his shoulder, just go out, not as wide as his head. And then now we'll pinch it in all the way down to his waist. And let's close that off, and then on the bottom, add one little rectangle for the belt. And let's go ahead and finish up the belt. So that's the belt buckle, and then for the detail inside, just two rectangles, and then on the side here for the belt loop, just two lines. Alright, and let's go ahead and finish up the little overall here. So right in the middle right here, on his chest level, just gonna draw a line across. And then just come down to the side of the body. And then right here, in the corner, we'll just go up. And this one's gonna tuck into the collar there. Alright, and to finish off the shirt, just gonna add one line in the middle. And I know it's got some detail here, but let's go ahead and finish up the arms first. Okay, so for the arm, so here's the armpit. Shoulders coming down, he's gonna be wearing a shirt. And then this little bracket like this coming down for the bicep area. Close that off. And we can add in one little line here because he's got the sleeves folded up. And then for the lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna turn, so right around here. Come straight down on this side and close it off. Alright, and then for the glove, we'll extend this line. Let's draw a little rectangle. And then for the fist, let's draw a little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the fist. Turn it and then close it. And let's go ahead and finish this. Just add a couple of details there. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Here's the armpit. Shoulder. Back to the armpit. Small little bracket, and we'll close that off as well. One little line there for his sleeve folded up. And then the lower arm is going to be the same thing as the other side. Curve, straight down and then close it. Extend this line, one little rectangle. Same thing here. Little hook, back of the fist, and turn it and then close it. Same detail here, and then it's got extra strap here. So I'm gonna draw one line across. And then for the little panel right here, just draw a little rectangle on the side. Okay, and then I think it's got some logo here, so I'm just gonna draw a little block here on the shoulders. Alright, so now let's draw in his legs. So right in the middle, I'm gonna draw one line across, come back to the middle, I'm gonna add one little extra fold. I'm gonna start on the side, come down and just hook it in for his thighs. Come back to the middle, off to the side, come down and just kind of turn it and then close it off. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Here's the middle, just come over slightly, come down and then taper it in and then close it off. Okay, and then for his legs, he's got the little pads here. Just gonna flare out, close it off, so that's gonna be part of the knee. And then now we'll pinch it in all the way down to his ankle. Close it off. And then it's got some armor here, so I'm just gonna draw one little rectangle. And then I'll draw his shoes. So just draw a curve here and then hit right here. Just come out a little bit more. Close it off. And then the shoes got those big tracks, so I'm gonna extend it. Just draw a big rectangle on the bottom. And then come back up here to finish up the little armor piece. Just slant down and then goes down straight. So slant and then down, same as that line. Alright, and then for the shoe here, I'm just gonna add two little rectangles for some detail. Alright, same thing on this side. So flare out again, close it, come down, just use the other side for reference. Okay, so same thing here, I'm going to extend it, little rectangle, and then the shoe from the corner, turn, so same thing down here, just extend the line, draw one rectangle, and then same detail in the inside. Okay, and then on the side here, same thing, just slant and then come straight down. Slant and then down. And looks like it's got some straps over here, so just draw two angles like that, so that's gonna be one strap and then one more on the bottom. Alright, let's come back up here and finish up some details. We can add little pockets here on the side. And then for the little taco here, so this one's pretty much the same thing as the head, but we're kind of seeing at an angle. So just draw one curve like this first. Come across. And then for the eyes, I'll draw 1 and 2. And then now we'll draw the back side of the taco. So I'm gonna start here, just slant up. And then I'm gonna draw the same curve, but behind the eyes. And that is it for this very silly looking guaco. So hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.